everyone, today I will be doing two different kinds of napkin fold. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Krishna Anjali Malait from BSTM2F. So the first fold I will do is a bishop's hat. So we have here a table napkin. So the first thing you need to do is to fold this in half. So from the bottom ends, you will fold this upwards, and then your left bottom corner, you will fold this to your top center. So you're forming that triangle shape. And your right top corner, this part, you will fold this in your bottom center. So once you achieve this shape, you will flip this, and then you will fold your top here, except this triangle, like this, from the line. So these are aligned. Then you will get this, forming this shape. Once you got that shape, this corner, you will fold it in a triangle. So you're getting this shape, that shape. And then your bottom corner, you will fold this upwards, and you will flip this. Then this corner, you will fold it here, forming another triangle, and you will tuck this inside. So this corner, you will tuck it here inside. So this is the shape of your bishop's hat. So I have here a plate, so that you'll see how would it looks like when it's in a plate. So this is your bishop's hat. Fold I will demonstrate is the birds of paradise. First, you will fold this in half. Second, you will fold this into quarters. Third, you will fold this into a triangle. You will fold this into the center. So from this corner, you will fold this into the center, and from this corner, you will fold this into the center. So you're having that shape. Then you will flip this, and these bottom corners, you will flip this upwards, so like this. And once you fold that, you will fold then into this corner. You're forming this shape, so you need to have that shape for your birds of paradise fold. So I have here a plate, the sections. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so that is your Birds of Paradise napkin fold.